Class 6, Subject Social Science, Geography, Chapter 2, last part. Today's topic is longitude and time. Here I am giving you short recap of latitude and longitude. Latitudes are the sleeping lines, imaginary lines sleeping like this, from moving from equator towards the poles. Equator is the biggest latitude, having 0 degree latitude. Now longitude are also imaginary lines on our earth. Prime meridian is the middle longitude of 0 degree. Here lines are moving like this. These are the standing lines. This divides the earth into eastern and western hemisphere, and this divides the earth into northern and southern hemisphere. Clear? Now we are going to discuss about the longitude and the time. So how the longitude and time related? Okay, now longitude, the best means of measuring time is by the movement of the earth. Means when we want to measure the time, the best thing is the movement of the earth. The movement of the earth, there are two types of movement of the earth. One is revolution, means around the sun, and another one is rotation, means on its own axis. Now, so the movement of the earth, the moon and the planets. The sun regularly rises and sets every day. As we know that sun rises from the east and sets in the west every day, and naturally it is a natural process. It is the best timekeeper throughout the world, and the rising of the sun and the rises of the sun and sets is the best timekeeper throughout the world. Local time can be reckoned by the shadow cast by the sun, and when the sun casts a shadow, means this is a sun. When the sun is just over our head, then our shadow is smallest. But when sun is in the east or in the west direction, means at the time of sunrise or sunset, the shadow is bigger than the overhead. Clear? So sun is the best way to know or to keep the time, by which is the shadow shortest at the noon. This shows that when the sun is overhead, the shadow is shortest. And longest at the right time of sunrise and sunset. When the prime meridian of Greenwich has the sun at the highest point in the sky, all the places along this meridian will have midday or noon. This suggests that prime meridian, as you know that the prime meridian is the longitude. Prime meridian is also of 0 degree longitude. So when the prime meridian of Greenwich, and it is situated exactly at Greenwich, has the sun at the highest point in the sky. All the places along this meridian will have midday or noon. So all the places that are located on this prime meridian have the midday or the noon time. As the earth rotates from west to east, you know that this is the west, this is east, this is north, this is south. As you know that earth rotates west to east. Those places east of Greenwich means those places are in of the east side of Greenwich will be ahead of Greenwich time, means they are ahead of Greenwich time, means if the sun is overhead, then the time is suppose 12 o'clock. So the places located at the east side of the Greenwich have ahead time, and those are of the west side, they will be behind it. They will be behind 12 o'clock and they will be ahead 12 o'clock. This is due to why the earth rotates 360 degree. The earth rotates, as you know about the angles, the earth rotates 360 degree in 24 hours. Time is 24 hours. So when we divide 24 by 360, then we get 15 degree, means in 1 hour earth rotates 15 degrees Celsius. 15 degree and 1 degree in 4 minutes. And if we want to know about the time of 1 degree, then it is 4 minutes, means in 4 minutes earth rotates only 1 degree. Thus when it is 12 noon at Greenwich, so when it is 12 noon at Greenwich, exactly like this, the time at 15 degree east of Greenwich will be, and when the location is of any place is of 15 degree to the Greenwich, 15 degree to the Greenwich. How much degree? 15 degree. Then how can we calculate the time? 15 into minute 4. 15 4 are 60 minutes. Okay, that is 1 hour ahead of Greenwich. Means when the 12 o'clock is at Greenwich, then 15 degree east place is have 1 o'clock. Clear? Because it is 1 hour ahead, which means 1 p.m. But at 15 degree west, and when this is 15 degree at west side, the time will be behind Greenwich by 1 hour, means there will be 11. Okay, similarly at 180 degree it will be midnight, and if the degree is of 180 longitude, then the time is of 11 a.m. and similarly it will be 12 noon at Greenwich. This is the time calculation. This is about the time calculation through longitude. Now we are going to discuss about why do we have a standard time. Okay, so the local play time of places which are on the different meridians are bound to differ. For example, it will be difficult to prepare a timetable for trains which cross several longitudes. Train crosses the several longitudes in India. For instance, there will be a difference of about 1 hour and 45 minutes in the local times of Dwarka in Gujarat. Dwarka in Gujarat is here, and Dibrugarh in Assam is in east here. So the difference between this is 1 hour and 45 minutes. So it is difficult to calculate the time. That's why it is therefore necessary to adopt the local time. So it is necessary to all of us to adopt the local time of some central meridian of country as the standard time for the country. So our central meridian is this 82.5 degree east. 82.5 degree east considered as the central meridian of India. Through this central meridian of India, we have the standard time. In India, the longitude of 82.5 degree east is treated as central meridian. The local time at this meridian is taken as the standard time for the whole country. So the time at 82.5 degree east is considered as the Indian standard time or the standard time for whole country. Now, the example is given. Kabir lives in a small town near Bhopal. Kabir lives near Bhopal. He tells his friend Alok that they will not be able to sleep tonight. He tells to his friend that they will be not able to sleep tonight. A day and a night cricket match between. Why they are not able to sleep tonight? Because they are watching the TV day and night cricket match on the TV between India and England had started at 2 p.m. in London. The time at London is 2 p.m. The time is 2 p.m. in London, and this means that the match would begin at 7:30 p.m. in India. In London 2 p.m. then the time in India is 7:30 p.m. and finish well into the night, and the match finish into the night. India located east of Greenwich. Why this difference between time is there between the England and India? Because India located east of Greenwich at 82 degree 30 east is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. Ahead. India located ahead because India is east of Greenwich. India is located east of Greenwich. So it will be 7:30 in India and 2 p.m. noon in London. And 2 p.m. noon in London. The difference is 5 hours and 30 minutes. Some countries have a great longitude extent, and so they adopted more than one standard time. For example, in Russia, because Russia have a great longitudinal extent, that's why they adopted more than one standard time. There are as many as 11 standard times. Russia have 11 standard times. And the earth has been divided into 24 time zones, and the earth divided into 24 time zones of 1 hour each. That each zone thus covers 15 degree of longitude. Here the chapter number 2 completed.